Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea lollipops, easy method. Start by brewing a strong tea, then heat sugar and brewed tea together until syrupy. Add gelatin off heat and pour into molds with sticks. Cool fully before unmolding to avoid stick movement. Warm and friendly tip. Bloom the gelatin in a small amount of cold tea before heating to avoid lumps and ensure smooth lollipops. Heat the sugar and tea slowly to dissolve, then remove from heat, stir in bloomed gelatin, and skim foam for clear candy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cozy kitchen tutorials. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for storing ingredients and finished lollipops. They save time and prevent spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more tips, I'll include notes below. Now let's get back to the video. For a cozy finish, steep spices or citrus peel in the brew, strain, and proceed with the syrup step. This gives layered flavors without extra steps. Use extracts sparingly, they concentrate quickly. Always taste a cooled test pop to adjust sweetness or aroma before final cooling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.